Good. Good one. So that one is good. Did you put this up?
I should have seen you before.
Hang on. Take some photographs of that. Still, careful, still photograph, please.
Nearly there, mate. Go on. Push. That's it.
Now the problem is getting down to you.
Get down on all fours, facing the wall.
Sorry, guys.
All fours facing the wall. Okay? Just stand there.
Just a minute.
That's it. They're going to
Turn it round.
They're going to guide you up.
A bit more. Okay, go on.
You have to push it through a little bit.
That's it. Next one down.
Slowly.
Alright. One down. Keep on going that one down. That's it, mate. Again.
Okay?
Two more. Two more.
Right, we'll assist them on the boat. Wait till Tammy's down, put the ladder up and get him in the boat.